Hey guys, I hope you guys are about to enjoy the video that you're about to watch, and if you guys want to get access to awesome trades like this that me and Hayden post on a regular basis, all you have to do is sign up with the link in the description. Now remember, we're not always going to win them, but we're going to make some great gains along the way. Feel free to check out the profit and loss history on my website. Peace.
Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades as per usual. And right now Bitcoin is trading at $37,126. We had a slight dip this morning down to 36,700, and we floated back up throughout the day, back up to 37,200 at the daily close, and now we are currently back down to 37,133. So now Bitcoin is starting to point towards the downside here on the stochastics. The weekly time frame is showing something similar as well. So that's going to be important to follow on the 4-hour as well. It looks like it's a little bit overdone, and that's why we're probably getting a little bit of a pop now. But overall, the larger time frames are starting to point down, and we did make a nominal high here. So, you know, if you're really, pushing it, you could say that the fifth wave has already finished. But I would still like to see Bitcoin go a little bit up a little bit higher, but nothing is guaranteed, right? We could technically fall apart, here at any moment. We do have really good green money flow, which is bullish for Bitcoin, right? You got a lot of green money flow, but you do have a bearish divergence in terms of momentum waves, right? So price has been making higher highs. The momentum has been making lower highs. So that should tell you that this is a bearish divergence and the price could be getting ready for a pullback. And that's why I stress that the wave 4 could maybe not be in. We could have a bit of a pullback before another leg higher. Okay. If this turns out to be the bearish scenario, which is this one right here, then the wave 5 is already finished. And then you've gotten rejected from this upsloping channel, and you're gonna come all the way back down in an ABC correction, like so right here, and that'll be the correction that brings us down before the halving, and then after that you should keep going higher from there, right? All right, so let me get into a little bit more analysis here in terms of wave edge. I know a lot of people are following a bunch of YouTubers who are very bullish on Bitcoin right now. You're getting a lot of sell signals at the highs, and again, the bigger time frames, like the 4-day time frame, is now showing this sell signal, which by the way almost printed the last 2 candles. So the last 8 days, this signal here almost confirmed, but when we would come down to the to the last 4 hours before it's about to confirm, we've gone big pumps, right, which would invalidate it, right? The signal would disappear, right? So we just keep delaying it and delaying it, but eventually it will come, right? And that could be the sell signal that we're looking for a pullback before a bounce back up into the ETF news, and then an ultimate crash afterwards, because it's going to be a sell the news event, right? No matter how you're going to put it. Excuse me. All right. I just had to sneeze there. Let me continue on some smaller time frames, like the 4-hour. So the 4-hour got a nice little green cross here, so you could be getting set up for a potential long opportunity. If it price comes back below, it could invalidate it, and that's where you essentially set your stop at. But overall, Bitcoin is just consolidating at the highs here. I wouldn't be long Bitcoin here, and I wouldn't be too heavily short, right? Because if you're short, then you got to have a pretty tight stop, because it can keep going, right? The price can keep going towards the upside. You got strong momentum up. So many people are bullish. They're ready to buy the dip on almost every downwards dip that Bitcoin gets. And let me take a look. I'll show you guys actually the weekly time frame is actually showing a sell signal on the CME futures. So that's interesting, right? Because we know that big money trades on the CME here. The daily, obviously, they've been unloading at the highs. It's just going to be interesting to see if this weekly signal means anything for Bitcoin in the future, because we've seen this before during the bull run, but this was after the halving, right? This is right now we're before the halving. We don't have CME data before the halving here. Well, I mean, we do, but we haven't seen that much trading. So overall, Bitcoin, right now we saw these big sell signals at the highs. Is this another signal like this one before a massive run up? Or is this actually going to lead to us getting a pretty decent pullback along with the markets being overbought as well? And this is going to lead to a huge buying opportunity for Bitcoin, in my opinion, if this does play out, right? If this plays out something like this, right, and we come back up, then that's going to be a huge buying opportunity, and you're not going to want to miss out on it. Anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. If you guys are interested, feel free to sign up to BitGet. That's where I do all my trades. And if you guys want to get access to my trades, the link's in the description. Feel free to sign up whenever, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.